Hi and welcome to the Courchevel Snow Report on the 21st of December. Christmas week is here and the conditions are fantastic. Well, the start of the season just continues to be absolutely fantastic. Yet more snow has fallen through the week. Courchevel are calling 170 centimetres of depth at the top of the resort. Now, bearing in mind more snow than that will have fallen, that's 170 centimetres that's packed down to form a really good base. The skiing is simply superb. We've spent the whole week skiing off-piste, on-piste, literally you can go where you like. The tree skiing has been fantastic. I'm standing here currently at Courchevel Morillonde, or 1650 as it used to be called before it was renamed. And the skiing here in particular has been awesome. A really great tip for people when they come to Courchevel is that 1650 often tends to be a little bit quieter. There's some great blue runs and some fantastic tree skiing. A real favourite for me. Well, it's currently -4 in resort and -8 at the top, so pretty fresh, pretty chilly conditions. That's keeping the snow absolutely fantastic, of course. Those temperatures are set to rise a little bit and then fall through into Christmas week itself, so the snow should stay fantastic. Those of you that are coming out for Christmas week for a holiday, there's going to be a good mixture of sunshine like we've got today. Beautiful bluebird today, and there'll be some more snow on the way. It seems the snow gods have not given up yet. It truly has been pretty sensational and is set to continue. Lifts, we've got the majority of the lifts open within the Courchevel area. Still a few to get going, those more minor lifts, and a couple out in the peripheries, including my personal favourite here in Courchevel Morillonde, which is Chapelet. Looking forward to that opening up tomorrow, and with the snow cover we've got, there'll be no problem having the whole area up and running for Christmas week. All the bars are open now with plenty live music to choose from, including here in Morillonde, the Bubble Bar and Rockies, both showing live music through the week, especially on a Friday night where I can highly recommend seeing Jess and Maxim. Wonderful duo there in the Bubble Bar. What else is going on? Well, it's Christmas time, of course, so that means Santa's coming to town. Across the next 3 or 4 nights in every single level of Courchevel, Santa will be arriving at the Front de Neige, the front of the pistes, and there'll be van show, there'll be torchlit processions. That's between 5 and 5:30 on a different night in the different parts of Courchevel. So when you arrive, check with the local tourist information office to find out exactly which night is for your part of the resort. There's a Christmas market going on up in Courchevel 1850. Lots of goodies to be bought. Santa will also be making some regular appearances up there, I'm sure. Christmas Eve is, of course, the bigger of the nights for the French, and that means fireworks. The French do love their fireworks. So on Christmas Eve, you'll be sure to be treated to a fantastic fireworks display, lighting up the mountains, lighting up the sky, and starting off the festivities. That's it from me for now. I'm wishing you a very Merry Christmas, and I'll leave you with a few clips of us skiing last week, just to show you how amazing the snow has been. Cheers for now.